Hello student, this is class 3rd, EVS chapter number 6. In this video, I am going to read this chapter. Student, आप भी इस वीडियो को 2-3 बार सुने और चैप्टर को रीड करने की कोशिश करें. Types of plants. Sneha house is right in the front of a park. The park has many different kinds of plants. Some are very big, some are very small. Sometimes she plucks flower and leaf or pulls out grass from the ground just for fun. Once the gardener saw her doing that, he explained to Sneha that plants play a very important role in our lives. They make their own food and provide food to animals and humans. We breathe in oxygen. This oxygen is supplied to us by plants. So, if not necessary, we should not pluck flowers or leaves. Instead, we should try to plant more and more trees. Just like us, plants are living beings too. They cannot move from one place to another. However, they make their own food with the help of natural resources, sunlight, water, soil and air, and are essential for our survival. They give us foods, clothing, and most importantly, oxygen to breathe. They also make the environment beautiful. There are many varieties of plants that we can easily notice all around us. To know more about plants, let us divide the plants into 5 categories. Trees. Some plants are very big, strong and tall. These plants are called trees. Mango, neem and banyan are some example of trees. They have woody, thick and brown stem that is called trunk. Most of the trees live for many years. California redwood trees are the tallest trees in the world. Shrubs. The small bushy plant which have thin but hard stem and many branches are called shrubs. Rose, henna, lemon and hibiscus are some example of shrubs. Their stems are flexible but not fragile. They live for a few years. Herbs, plant which are very small and have green and weak stem are called herbs. They can be easily removed from the soil. Their lifespan is short. They live only for one season. Spinach, mint, coriander are the example of herbs. There are 2 more types of plants, creeper and climber. These plants need some support such as wall, a pole, a tree, trunk or the ground to grow. Creepers, the plants which have very weak stems and grow along the ground are called creepers. Their stem cannot bear the weight of fruit. That is why this plant crawl on the ground. Watermelon and pumpkin are the example of creeper. Climber. Like creeper, climber too have weak stem, but they can climb up with the help of some support such as walls, stick, poles and tree trunks to grow and carry their weight. Climber have special structure called tendrils to climb on the wall or any other support structure. Pea plant, money plant, grapevine are some example of climber. Climates and plants. Plants need sunlight, water, soil and air for their growth. Plant can grow under the water, in desert, on the mountains, on plains and in many other places. All types of plants cannot grow at all places. Every plant requires a particular kind of soil and climate weather condition to grow properly. For example, some plants such as lotus, hydrilla and duckweed can grow only in water. Such types of plants are called aquatic plants. Some plants such as cactus, palm can survive in very hot climate and very little rainfall. Such types of plants are called desert plants. There are plants such as spruce, fir and willow which grow on the mountains and in very cold regions. Tropical plants such as teak, mahogany grow in a place where it is hot and wet all through the air. Our green friends. Plants are very useful to us. We get so many useful things from plants, including the oxygen we breathe. We cannot imagine our world without plants. Food. We get food from the plant in a form of vegetables, seeds, wheat, rice, rajma, etc., fruit, oil, sugar, coffee and tea. Fresh air. Plants help to keep the air fresh and clean. They take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Human and animals need oxygen for breathing. We can't live without oxygen. Fibers. We get fibers from plants such as cotton, jute, hemp and coconut. The fiber of cotton and jute are used for making clothes. Jute cloth is used to make sack. Coconut fiber are used for making robes, doormats, etc. Wood. We get wood from trees. The wood of trees such as teak, mahogany, sesame and oak is used for making furniture, doors, windows, tables, chairs, etc. Dyes. Dye can be made from different parts of plants such as hibiscus flower, henna leaves, carrot and turmeric. Medicine. Plants have medicinal properties too. Plants such as ginger, eucalyptus and tulsi are good for reducing cough problem. Aloe vera is good for skin disease. Neem leaves are used for deworming the stomach. They can also be used to treat skin problems, heart disease and so on. Rubber. Rubber is obtained from latex, milky liquid that is extracted from the bark of rubber tree. Rubber is used for making your erasers, rubber band, tires, balloon, toys and many other useful things. Paper. Paper is made from the pulp of soft wood, bamboo and various grasses. Perfume. Some flowers like rose, jasmine, lily and violets are used for making perfume. Home. Trees are used by animals such as monkey, squirrel, parrot, sparrows and crow as their home. Shade. Tree gives shade to animals and human to rest. So student, this is the end of this chapter. Some hard word of these chapters are trees, shrubs, herbs, creeper, climber, climate, survive, tropical, fiber, medicines, latex, and fragile. So student, write this hard word in your notebook. Have a nice day. Goodbye.